Hello everyone, welcome to SocialNowa Chatbot. And now in this video, we will see how SocialNowa's visual flow builder works. Okay, so for going to visual flow builder, you have to click on bot manager. Once you click there, here you will see all your Facebook pages. If you want to create your bot in Facebook, you have to click here. And if you want to create on Instagram, you have to click on here, right? You just switch it and you will be able to see where you have to create the bot. Okay, so right now we will be creating a bot on Facebook. So I click here, and then here are few of the settings. Now you don't have to go into that right now. Just select the page where you have to build your bot. These are the pages, right? So I'll select my first page. Okay, and now you can see already new postback manager. Postback manager is simply a new series of chat bot elements. Okay, we'll do that in detail. So now just create new flow, click on this, and here we will start a new flow. Okay, we are starting the new flow. You will see the button like this. Okay, we'll say start bot flow. You can name it. I'll say start. Okay, to start the bot, you have to do two things. One, you have to first put action button. Okay, basically action button means there will be a button which says get start or something like that. You can say get started. I'll click action button and next to it, and will connect it to the action button. Okay, this you have to do before your bot is starting on. This is like a preparation. Okay, and the second is you have to set the trigger keyword. Okay, so with the trigger keywords, can connect here, and you can say like yeah, hello. You can say the trigger keyword, for example, hello, hi, hey. Okay, also you can do it in your own language. Okay, I'll say connect, and this is how before we start our bot we have updated it. Okay, we have updated the trigger keyword and also get started template, and our bot is ready to start. Okay, now so yeah, this is where the bot starts. Before bot start, we have to add some trigger keywords, and you can also put some action button. Okay, I'll show you how does it look like, but remember this is what we have to do. And so far, if you remember, what element we have used is trigger keyword. This is the one element that we have used. You can see this is the element. Okay, an action button, this is the element we have used. Okay, so these are the two elements that we have used so far. And now before going ahead, we'll be using few more elements. So like elements like text, right, image, audio, video, file, FB media, card, carousel, quick reply. These are the basic element. Okay, these are the basic elements. So we'll be using these basic elements in this video, and in the next video we'll be going ahead and we'll be talking more about the advanced. Okay, so basically these are the advanced elements. Okay, in this video let's talk about basic elements and create our bot flow with it, right? Okay, let me take you back to the board. So far we have done trigger keyword, action button. These two have been used. Okay, and we are starting our bot. Now if you are confused what to do next, remember it's very simple. You just have to go to the next button here, and if you click on it, you'll see all the options that we can do. For an example, text, carousel, image, FB media, video, audio, file, OTN, ecom, card, user input flow, condition reply, and cancel. Okay, so these are the options that are available to you from where your bot will start. But for now, we'll cancel it and we'll take one by one all these basic elements, starting with the text. Remember, text will be the easiest way to start your bot. Okay, for example, I'll say next, I'll connect reply, I'll double click on it, I'll say yeah, hi. For example, hi, we'll do lead user's first name. Okay, so here whoever is coming to your bot or interacting with your bot, his name will come here, and will say how may I help you. how may I help you? Okay, and we'll click on this. You can now, this is typing on display. It will show like the display is typing. I'll say 1 second and we'll connect. This is how it will look. Okay, so we have done this. Bot has been started now. Okay, now you can again click on the next and you will see all the options that can go with the text element here. Okay, like text, carousel, FB and all. You can also start bot with image as well. Okay, so you can simply click on here. Okay, and we'll click, you can select any image if you like. I'll just get this image here. I'll say open. Okay, typing display, I can put a typing display or no, that is totally up to me. Okay, 1 second, but I'll say no to this because image takes some loading time, so I'll rather decide not to do this. Okay, so I can connect these two image as well. Now you can see it is very much compatible, right? Then the third thing I can do is I can also go for audio. So I'll just click here, and now as you can see, I've selected audio here. Okay, so I'll double click on audio and I'll just use whatever audio file is with me. Okay, and yeah, I'll upload that. You can also typing, you can also add typing on display and like 1 second or something. Okay, but I'll rather not do that when file is heavy. Okay, so that's the one way. And if you have to just connect it simply, you can, what you can do is you can click on it and you can connect it here. Okay, so this is very much compatible. That's why it is showing here. So we have seen so far text, image, audio. Now let's talk about video. Okay, so in the video, I'll click on it. You can put your URL, okay, from where a video will be uploaded, or you can even use videos from your account. Okay, now I'll suggest to go for URL, so it becomes easier for us. Video will not take, because the loading time will be less, so your messenger replies faster. Okay, you can use typing on display 1 second again, but whenever you think that the loading, that the material or the element that you're sending is heavy, I'll suggest you not to go for the uh, delay in reply. Okay, that will actually make it load later. So not to go, don't go for that. Okay, again, then we will click. These are the, so far we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, and now let's talk about the file element. You can also start your bot with the file. Okay, now let's see if either it is compatible. Let me show you whether it is compatible with this or not. Okay, so I'll just say reply and you can see it is also compatible with the video. And finally, we will also check whether it is compatible with the file or not. So it is also compatible with the file. I'll double click on file. Now you can add either URL of the file or you can upload the file from here, right? So that's what is possible. Again, you can add typing display, and if you want, you can say done. Okay, so this is, I'll just cancel it. Okay, so basically this is how you can use all this material. Okay, one more thing we can do is FB media. Okay, you can, if you have any media on Facebook or any particular link or page, suppose you want someone to join on your Facebook page, so you can do this one, Facebook media, click on it, right? So you can put your URL here, you can say 1 second. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can connect multiple elements here. Okay, now what I will do is I'll show you the easier and more better way where we will be able to see all the elements of chatbot in a proper manner. So I'll connect this to again reply text, which is the right way to go ahead. Okay, and I will also connect this one to here reply. Okay, so someone will ask how I may help you, and my photo or my image will come over there. Okay, if you want to add this element, you can add audio, video, files, and FB media as well. Okay, so now I'll just for a moment I'll delete it. Okay, just to see how this bot is working, we'll see in the messenger. I'll just save it. Okay, yeah, I've saved it, and now let's go to the page where we have made this bot. I'll click on message. Okay, now here is the option of saying get started. Okay, so once we do the get started, we click on the get started, the bot will start. Okay, hi Kabir, how may I help you? We have done image and this. Let's see what is there in the bot. Yeah, both the thing are there. Okay, now this bot has been started with the get started template. Now let me do this with the hey. Okay, the bot is responding. The bot is responding because say when I said hey, it's there and the bot has responded. Very good, very good. Okay, now I'll just for a moment delete chats. Okay, so the bot has been already built. Now we'll see what other areas are there where we can make this bot even better. Okay, now I'll give you example. So in the next, we click on the next. Okay, and on the next we can see the card. So this is the card button that we will be using. Okay, I'll click on the card. Okay, here we can use any image that you like. For example, I'll be using this image here. Open. Okay, now you can use some title like get my mentorship. Okay, subtitle if you want grow your business. Okay, if you want typing in display, I'll say just 1 second. Okay, if you want typing in display, I'll just say 1 second. Okay, get my mentorship, and here I'll put a button. So card is basically the information and then the button. On the button, I'll say get access. Okay, on the button, I'll say connect with me now. Okay, and I'll say web URL. I will put my URL or URL of the payment, or let's say any landing page here. For example, I'll put URL of the payment and I'll say done. Okay. So this is how it is done. Let me save it. This has been saved. Let us see how this works in the message. Click on it. So get started. Now you can see how, hi Kabir, how may I help you? Okay. Yeah. So there is another. Yeah, so the new message has come, get my mentorship. Okay, grow your business. I'll click on connect with me, and you can see there is a page, payment page has come. Okay, the page that we had decided, right? Okay, so this is good. This is very good. Now we are done with the cards. Now I'll see the carousel. Okay, I'll take the carousel here. So basically, carousel is nothing but the three cards clubbed together. Okay, yeah. So carousel is nothing but the three cards clubbed together. You can see them. They are pretty similar. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll just say carousel, or we can, okay. Now item one, on item one, I can say, okay, I'll just take a, and I'll say, get this ebook one done. Okay. Let's suppose we have ebook store. Second, I'll say ebook two. You can put a name of the ebook, right? And I'll say ebook three. Okay, done. Yeah. So basically, these are the carousel. Now, each carousel item comes with a button. We can say get this book now for, you can say $5. Okay, done. And you can just use web URL of the payment page or landing page. Okay, that's one thing. Again, you can do the same for this. Let's say get for $10, and you can use web URL. Click on this. Again, this button, you can say get for $12. Again, web URL, you can put a web URL over here. Okay. Now we will save it and we'll test it again. Okay. So before testing, I'll just click on it and we'll delete chat. Okay. Go back to message. We'll say get started. Now you can see the entire carousel working. Okay, it's saying, hi Kabir, how may I help you? Now you can see the image. Yeah. So if you look at the bot flow, it's working very good. Yeah, this is the carousel now. See, get this ebook one, get ebook two, get for $10, get for $12. This is the carousel. Can you see this? I'll click on this. I'll click on this and it is taking me to the payment page. Okay. Or you can also use any link of your landing page or even for the payment page. Okay. And third one, get for $12. Yeah. So this is how the carousel in your chatbot will work. Okay. Now with the carousel, one more thing that we wanted to show you is quick reply. You can see this quick reply here. So you can add quick reply as well. Okay. Just so quick replies, basically they can ask you frequently asked question, right? And you have to just say new post back here. You can also ask them for the phone number or something like that. Okay. I will say button text. Let's suppose they are asking you format of the book format. Okay. Or write. So if they are asking you book format, we will just rearrange it a little bit so it becomes easier for us. I'll just delete this carousel. Okay. Now they can ask you for book format. One more quick reply we can set. Okay. For the price, new post back. Ask the price of it. Price. Okay. And we can set one more quick reply where we will be asking prospect manager delivery time. Okay. Now say done. Now with each one we have to answer it. So we'll say text. Basically, postback manager simply means the new sequence that we are creating. Okay. Postback manager simply means the new sequence we are creating. So for this postback manager, I should name it, let's say book format postback. So again, you don't have to make it. When you are making new chatbot, you don't have to make it. Okay. Book format postback. Done. For this, I can say price postback. Price postback. These are very powerful. Postbacks are very powerful. And I'll say delivery postback. Okay. Yeah, done. So next will be you have to now answer them with the text. Here, let's say it will say it will be an ebook. Okay. So I'll just say 1 second. Done. Secondly, use first name. Then we'll say price. It will be for $5. Then we can show the delay in display. And finally, the third one will be delivery time. It will be, it will be delivered, instantly. Okay. Now display timing, we'll say 1 second. Oh yeah, 1 second, done. Okay. And we'll say save to it. So this is how the flow will look like. Let me rearrange the flow. You can click on this button to rearrange the flow. This is how the flow is looking like right now. Okay, and let's test the flow. Here you can save it. Let me test the flow. Okay, to test the flow, we click here. We'll say delete chat. Okay, this is the page where we have built the flow. I'll click on the message. I'll say get started. Hi Kabir, how may I help you? So just taking 9. Okay, now these are the quick replies. You can see, right? Book format, price, delivery time. Image is also coming. I'll click on book format. Kabir, it will be an ebook. Okay, similar can happen. Now let me start with another. Say hi. So basically, you use quick replies like frequently for the frequently asked question. Price. Okay, if they are asking price, Kabir, it will be for $5. Let me say, hey, okay, let me say, hey, now we can see it's a delivery time. Click on it. Kabir, it will be delivered instantly. Okay, so this is how you can make the flow. Okay, so far in this video, we have done text, image, audio element, video element, file element, FB media, card, carousel, and quick reply. All these media format have been used here. You can see this, right? And we have also tested them, and this has been a really successful bot making process. And in the next video, we will be talking more about the area which is ecom, conditional reply, new sequence, user input flow, OTN, and this has already been done. Postback manager, I have told you. So simply the new sequence of the chatbot elements will be called as postback manager. Okay. See you in the next video. We will be talking about the advanced feature of chatbot. Thank you so much.